Okay, today we will prove Gauss theorem. Okay, so to prove Gauss theorem, Gauss theorem or law, same thing. So what is Gauss theorem? It states that the total electric flux through a closed surface enclosing a charge is equal to 1 by E naught times the magnitude of the charge enclosed. Yes, in our last class we have studied this theorem. Okay, so what does it say? The total electric flux through a closed surface means there is a closed surface. Suppose example sphere. Okay, sphere is a closed surface, right? So it states that the total electric flux through a closed surface enclosing a charge. That means this surface is enclosing a charge. Inside this sphere, let's say there is a charge, is equal to 1 by E naught. 1 by E naught times the total charge enclosed. So how much charge is enclosed here? Q. So this is what? Total electric flux. So electric flux is denoted by phi. So we have to prove this one. Okay, for that consider a point electric charge Q situated at the center of a sphere. So let's say this is the center, or this is a sphere. At the center of a sphere, let's say the radius of the sphere is r. Okay, so due to this charge, the electric field lines are radially outward, like this. Okay, so let's consider a surface, small surface on the surface of the sphere. This is a small surface. Let's say this surface name is ds. Okay, so what will be the area vector of this surface? It is perpendicular, right? Perpendicular to the surface. So this will be the area vector. And what is the direction of electric field? So the electric field are radially outward. So at this point the electric field is also along the direction of this surface vector. So E and ds are same. Okay, so this is the radius of the sphere, and let's say a unit vector, the unit vector of this radius is r cap. Suppose this is point P. Okay, at point P you have taken a small surface element ds. So electric field at point P will be E equal to, you know the formula, right? 1 by 4 pi E naught Q. Charge is here, it is Q, Q by r square. So radius r square means the distance between the point P and the charge. It is r. So it is r square. Since electric is given in vector form, so this side also should be in vector form. So what is the direction of this this radius? It is given by unit vector r cap. So r cap. Okay, now the electric flux at this point, this surface, is, since this is a small surface, so electric flux will be small. d phi equal to E dot ds na. So what is E here? E is this. So 1 by 4 pi E naught. 1 by 4 pi E naught Q by R square, and then R cap dot ds vector. Okay, now so 1 by 4 pi E naught Q by R square. Okay, these two are vector na. So A dot B means vector A dot vector B is what? A magnitude of vector A into magnitude of vector B into cos theta na. This cos theta is angle between A and B na. So make this, what is this? This is a unit vector na. Its magnitude is 1 into ds. Ds magnitude is this one, right? Ds vector magnitude is this one. So ds cos how much? What is the angle between r cap and ds? Okay, r cap is in this direction, ds is also in this direction, so they are in the same direction na. So that means the angle is 0, so cos 0. So what is cos 0? Cos 0 is 1 na. Cos 0 equal to 1. So we will have 1 by 4 pi E naught Q by R square. 1 into ds is ds into cos 0 is 1, so we'll get ds only. So this is d phi, small electric flux, but we have to find total electric flux, right? Okay, d phi we are getting 1 by 4 pi E naught Q by R square ds na. So 1 by 4 pi E naught Q by R square ds. Okay, this is the small electric flux. So we have to find the total electric flux. For that we have to integrate, right? D phi over the surface. Here also we have to integrate. Since the surface is a closed surface, so I'm making like this, okay? So what is the surface? Surface means this surface of the sphere, okay? Surface area of the sphere, total surface area we have to find, okay? This is not a circle, okay? This is a sphere, 3 dimension. So all the constant terms will come out. So all these are constant na. Radius is same, fixed, right? And charge is also fixed na. So 1 by 4 pi E naught. So when we integrate this small electric flux, we will get the total electric flux, right? 1 Q by R square. Now we have to integrate this surface only. So what is the surface? What is the formula for the total surface of sphere? It is 4 pi r square, right? Total surface area of sphere is 4 pi r square, okay, where r is the radius of the sphere. So when you integrate this surface, this small surface over the total surface, then you will get this one. Since the total surface is given by 4 pi r square. So 1 by 4 pi E naught Q by r square. So after integrating this small surface, we will get the total surface 4 pi r square. R square cancel, 4 pi and 4 pi cancel. So phi equal to, only we are getting Q by E naught. So what is this? This is the statement of Gauss theorem. So hence proof.